Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G60 and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this NOKIA. Begin with accessing tab menu. Now you need to look for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. And now as you can see, location of my NOKIA is off. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on the same shortcut. If you want to, you can always go into settings instead. Look for location section over here and when you find it, click on it. Now manage location of this smartphone by clicking on the switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!